What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech and more reviews, and in front of me I have both of these brand new Samsung flagship devices, the Fold 3 as well as the Flip 3, and we got a lot of accessories to go with them. So without further ado, grab your popcorn, get a snack, because this is going to be a pretty decent unboxing and first impression. I'm gonna open everything, we're gonna talk about it, I'll tell you what I think, and then we'll go from there. So the one I really wanted to get my hands on the most is the Flip. So this is the box for the Z Flip 3. Very small, very slim, very minimalistic. Let's go ahead and get it open. So it has tape like right around the bottom. Don't want to cut myself. There we go. And really excited for this one because I never got a Flip before. Let's see. All right. So packaging is like super minimal. You get the SIM eject tool right there. You get a USB Type-C charger right there. USB Type-C to C, and you got your instructions in there. And that's about it. Okay, put all of this back in the box. Okay, this is what we came for. So I actually opted to pick up, if you can see from the Z, I picked up the green one. So you can see the back of that. That is what the green is gonna look like. Now, let's find that tab. Where the tab at? There we go, boom. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Pull all the plastic off. Oh, tab was on bottom. Okay, this is what I wanted. Ooh, that is nice. That is a nice looking phone. I love that green color. Like a lot of people, so it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. You can already see it. It's gonna pick up those fingerprints. But my hands are warm, the room is cool, so you're gonna get that condensation. Let's go ahead and get this thing on. Power button on the side there. There we go. So I'm gonna sit that down, let it come on, let it do its thing. I'm not gonna drop any information in right now, but let's go ahead and start talking about some of these accessories. This is the mustard yellow leather cover from Samsung. So let's go ahead and I'll do full reviews on all this stuff. Right now, I just want to get everything unboxed, show it to y'all, see how we like it. So inside this is just two separate pieces of this yellow color. Leather on the outside, nice microfiber lining on the inside. Like we'll do full try-ons later on. Get all that out of the way later. But for those of you who wanted to know, that's what the yellow one and the leather looks like. Put that to the side. Okay, so we got the aramid fiber cover. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Bam. All right, and boom, there we go. So we know that this is a cover that's supposed to be really tough, really durable. It looks like it has a, there we go. It does have a sticky piece in there to help it stick better to that phone. And did I omit? Oh, both of them do. So really you're gonna have, like these are gonna be cases that are pretty much gonna be kind of stuck to your phone by that little adhesive strip right there. So the more you swap the cases out, the more you lose your stickiness. All right, next up we got the silicone cover with a strap. So let's get all that out, and that's what it looks like. It says Flip on the back, or it says Z Flip. Yep, there we go. Z is kind of cut off, but we got Z Flip. I'm interested to see how this one is gonna work, because yeah, that's a little weird looking, but we're gonna try it nonetheless. We'll get it tried on. Like I said, full video will be coming with all this stuff. I just wanted to show you what all I ordered with my phone. This is another cover that I got. So all these covers are gonna be over here to the side. Paper, trash out of the way. There are some instructions in that stuff. Smart tag. I actually got one of these last year and I never even used it. So if anybody wants a smart tag, drop a message below, let me know. I think I got like 2 around here somewhere. First come, first serve. So if you want this, shoot me a message. You can leave a comment down below that you want it, and I'll get it to you some kind of way. We'll figure something out. This is a super fast wall charger. So 25-watt wall adapter. I got plenty of these laying around. You've seen these before. It's just an adapter. There's no cables, anything in here. But for those of you who don't believe me, let's see. That open there. Pop it open up here. And there we go. That's all you get. There's nothing else in the box. So I told you, just a charging brick. So 25-watt, fast charging, PD charging, all that good stuff. We know. All right, put that to the side. So this device is already on. It's ready to go. I do have to put all my information in there, but this is what you get. This is the phone. Like literally, it's nice. It's small. It's pocket size. It's the size of my palm. It's a nice looking device. I like it. Full review is coming. I just want to show you guys what this one is looking like. That's that green color that you're gonna. There we go. The ease of folding is really nice. Like, I'm not sure if it's a one. There we go. You can one hand fold. If you got a good size hand, you can one hand fold. There we go. Boom. One hand fold. There we go. You do see a little crease in there. You can see that crease. So for those of you who wanted to know if there's a crease in the phone, you do have, like, there we go. You can see it pretty clear. Let's see. All right, there we go. That's it. I'm gonna sit this one down to the side because this is the main one that I came here for. This is probably the best phone on the market to me. Now that's just to me. Okay, reason I say this is probably the best phone on the market is because it's one of the more premium type feeling phones, and I actually picked up this silver color. Let's see, you got a tab. Oh, that sounds nice. Boy. Okay, so you get that same premium feel from last year. Let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. And you do have a noticeable crease still down the middle. Like, I was kind of hoping they were gonna get rid of that a little bit, but you know, that's what you got. What do you expect from folding glass, right? On the inside, USB type C to C charging cables. It's a quick start guide in there. We already know all that. Put that back together. Okay, so I liked the boxing from last year, like the unfolding of that box. This year is just very sleek, very minimalistic, very thin box. You don't get all that hoopla and everything. Okay, let's put this back to the side. I'm gonna sit it down right there. You can actually see that color. Let's get some of these accessories open because I only ordered 2 extra accessories with this one, and this is the flip cover with the S Pen built into it. All right. So already, I'm pretty much thinking that already I'm not gonna like this case. You get extra pen tips right there up top, and it actually has instructions on how to put everything in. I'm kind of feeling like I'm not gonna like this case though. Now I do like the fact that I can put my S Pen right there, down in the side. But we'll see. Like I said, I'm doing a full review on all this stuff. So just stay tuned for those reviews, but we got to keep the S Pen out for right now. This is another aramid fiber casing. And for the fold, like, it's just 2 pieces. So you're just going to clamp these 2 pieces on, and they do have, once again, adhesive to help hold it to the front as well as the back. Or no, that's just a QR code. So no adhesive on the back, only adhesive on the front. aramid fiber. All right. All right, so we got the pen, we got the flip over here, we got the fold over here, and let's see. So I'm not gonna lie, it feels almost like last year. Like it's a little lighter. The hinging mechanism, maybe because I've opened mine so many times already, feels a little more stiff, but like overall, it seems like a well-built device. Like they didn't really fix that sandwich issue that I was thinking it was gonna be kind of flat and flush, but hey, you know, you can't get everything, right? Camera looks different, but we're gonna get into all that, doing a full review on both devices. Just wanted to get them unboxed. So yeah, what I gotta do is I gotta get all my information put into both of these. I'm going to use them for about a week or so, and then I'll come back and I'll give you guys a full breakdown of both of them, and maybe which one is for you, which one's not for you. I know which one is for me because this is what I've been waiting on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. This one is in green, this one is in the platinum silvery shiny color. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out, and be sure and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. I'm going to be coming with all different kind of chargers and different cases and covers and glass protectors and all that good stuff for these devices. So hopefully I'll be able to help you out if you have purchased one of these new Z devices. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.